Oh, good morning, Mr. Keyboard. Oh, man. What happened last night? Oh, God. Maybe I should have used protection. I'll call Planned Parenthood. Come on, Mr. Keyboard. No. Okay. Strip club? No. Skank I met last night? No. Man horror number 37? No. Priest number 5? 1-800-FAKE? No. Mr. Rogers? 1-800-RAPIST? No. Pedophile wannabe? 1-800-PARTY? No. Michael Jackson's makeup artist? 1-800-GUILTY? No. Paul? No. Shirtless guy at Hollister? Not today. Gay guy I met at Hot Topic? No. Gay guy turned straight. Allie's older brother? I don't know that number. Mom! Ugh. Planned Parenthood. Here we go. Where's my phone? Do you know where it is, Mr. Keyboard? Okay. Okay. Planned Parenthood. 1-800 FML? What does that stand for? Foodles, noodles of noodles? Oh, okay. FML.